Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Listen for Hey Siri on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Siri in Search. Next, tap on Listen for Hey Siri. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you turn on, you need to set up Hey Siri. So tap on the Continue button and then say Hey Siri into your iPhone. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So you have to train your Siri 5 times, and after that, it's ready for you to use. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off Listen for Hey Siri on the iPhone 14 series.